Hi everyone, and welcome to Room Rescue here at the HGTV Home Design Studio inside the warehouse at Huck Finn. I'm Kate Corey, and this week we'll turn a man cave into a couple's sanctuary, and we'll add some fun and flair with accent pillows. Let's get started. We're going to start today with a look at our room in need of rescue. Joining me now is our design consultant, Jonah. Jonah, tell me about today's space.
Today's space is so awesome. We transformed a man cave into a couple's retreat.
All right, I love that. So when we say man cave, what are we talking about?
We're talking a couple chairs, big TV, not much more than that.
Because what else do you need aside from snacks? And this is a newlywed couple. They're combining styles. The room's got to work for both of them. Yes. So how are you doing that?
So starting off with fabrics, we went casual with not a lot of colors. So the sofa has awesome texture.
Okay.
And we really like the colors, simple colors.
Okay.
In the pillow.
And you're also incorporating some personal touches.
Yes, musicians.
We have a Beatles album here.
We do. We really wanted to incorporate his awesome album collection in a way that looks awesome.
Right.
And is organized.
And gets that personal touch.
That's right.
And I want to mention the rug because this is a mini version.
It is.
Of the rug that's in the room.
It is.
And you also gave them some floor plan options.
Yeah, we came up with a couple different designs just to have some play, and we went with the one that we felt best suited the space.
Well, I can't wait to see what you came up with. We're going to come and see you in a little bit, but first we're going to jump over and see Dan for our 60-second helper. Today we're talking accent pillows with Dan.
That's right. You know, the right pillow can create a designer touch to almost any room. And what people don't realize is that we have a fantastic custom pillow program right here at the warehouse at Huck Finn's in our Bassett showroom.
I didn't know that. That is awesome. What options do we have?
Well, first there's shapes. You can do your standard square pillow, but we have the round pillows, we have kidney pillows, we have these bolster pillows.
What are these used for?
Well, they're great for decoration as an accent piece, but they're also great for support, your back or your arms.
Okay.
We also have different sizes to choose from. You have your small, your medium, your large.
And what about fabric?
Hundreds of fabrics to choose from. In fact, I encourage you to use our designers. That's what we're here for. We'd love to create the perfect pillow for the perfect room.
Any other options you'd like to mention?
There are. You know, you can do tufting on these pillows.
Okay.
You can do fringe. You can do a contrasting welt. If you want to get fancy, you can do a corded welt.
I'm all about getting a little fancy sometimes. Sounds like a lot of fun.
It is a lot of fun. It's like creating a piece of art, only more comfortable.
Dan, thank you so much for the tip today.
You're welcome.
It's time now for the moment we've all been waiting for, the big reveal. Jonah is back. You really bring this room to life.
I am, yeah, and this is actually a part of the room itself.
I love that. Tell me what you did with this space.
Okay, so the first thing I'd like to point out are the albums and the guitars.
I love that.
Yeah, they actually came from the man cave, and we were able to incorporate them in the new design. They're actually all albums that he owns, and they're even more stored in the credenza.
And I have to say, I know you started with the man cave, but this room is beautiful for anyone.
It is, and really what we wanted to do is take the TV out of the space, make it a place where they can escape the madness of the outside world.
And enjoy being a newlywed couple.
That's right.
Tell me about your colors.
So color was not going to be the main focus of this design. So with the blues and the grays and the browns, we were able to make them blend seamlessly.
And that rug is gorgeous, of course. Tell me about your big furniture pieces.
Yes, so plenty of storage. The idea is that this is a space that they can grow into. So lots of room, open and closed.
And lots of seating room too. I see you have a couple of stools tucked away.
That's right, we have stools when they entertain, when they want to play the guitar, they can pull them right out, and there they are.
And I have to touch on that. Is it an ottoman or is it a table?
It's both.
I love that.
I know.
Best of both worlds.
Very functional.
I want to point out too how beautiful these plants are.
Yeah, we really wanted to bring some life into the basement den, and I think that really achieved the goal.
And it's a beautiful space for both.
It is.
Jonah, this room looks amazing. You did such a great job.
Kate, thank you so much, and it was so much fun working on this project.
If you have a design problem you'd like solved, submit your questions and room photos at huckfinnswarehouse.com. That's it for today's episode of Room Rescue here at the HGTV Home Design Studio inside the warehouse at Huck Finn. Thank you for watching. We'll see you next week.